In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TikTok profile view option if it's not showing on your account. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Privacy. Look for the Profile Views option. If it's available, open it and make sure Profile View History is turned on. If you don't see the Profile Views option, update TikTok to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. Next, close the app completely and reopen it. If the option is still missing, clear the app cache by going to your profile, tapping the menu icon, selecting Settings and Privacy, then tapping Free Up Space and clearing the cache. You can also restart your phone and try again. If the feature still doesn't appear, uninstall and reinstall the TikTok app, then sign back into your account. Keep in mind that Profile View History is only available to eligible accounts. The feature may not appear if your account doesn't meet TikTok's requirements, or if it's unavailable due to your region, account status, app version, or TikTok's gradual feature rollout. And that's how to fix the TikTok profile view option not showing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.